Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to send Sweatcoin to SweatWallet. So in order to do this, first of all, you'll have to navigate to your Play Store. After navigating, click on search icon and search for Sweatcoin. Now install this application, that is Sweatcoin, by clicking on the install button and sign up using your user credentials. After this, go back and search for SweatWallet. Here, you'll have to click on SweatWallet and install this application. After installing, you'll have to click on the open button after SweatWallet and launch the SweatWallet app. Now on the welcome screen, choose get started. And the app will ask you to link your Sweatcoin account to the SweatWallet. Now log in with the same email you use for your Sweatcoin account and follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Sweatcoin and SweatWallet. Once your SweatWallet is linked to your Sweatcoin account, it will automatically convert your daily steps into Sweat tokens. The steps you take every day will now generate Sweat cryptocurrency, which will be transferred to your SweatWallet. There is no manual transfer required. The synchronization happens automatically. After that, you'll have to open your SweatWallet app to track the Sweat tokens you have earned. So your Sweat balance will update based on the number of steps you have walked and the conversion rate between steps and Sweat tokens. Inside the SweatWallet app, you can choose to hold or transfer your Sweat tokens to a supported crypto exchange. Keep an eye on the app for potential investment options, stocking, or trading features once you accumulate enough Sweat tokens. So that's how you send Sweatcoin to SweatWallet. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.